Hello, my name is Kyle James Henry F. Gisera from BSCS 3A, and in this video we'll explore a Python program called the Interpreter Enrollment System. This program allows you to enroll, view, search, and remove interpreters using a simple command line interface. Now, the first part of the code is the interpreter class. This class defines the interpreter into four properties. We have the interpreter ID, which is a unique ID for the interpreter, and then we have the interpreter's name, and language, which is the language they speak, and experience, which is the number of years of experience. It also has a method called display info, which prints all interpreters details nicely. Next is the enrollment system class. This the enrollment system class manages all interpreters in a list called self-interpreters. It contains four main methods. First is the add interpreter, which lets the user enter information to add a new interpreter. And then we have the view interpreter, which displays a list of all enrolled interpreters. And next is the search interpreter, which searches for an interpreter by their ID. And then last, we have the remove interpreter, which removes an interpreter from the list. Yeah. Next of this is the main program here. The main function shows a menu to the users and keeps running until the user chooses to exit. Here's how it works. The user selects from an option from 1 to 5. Now 1 to 5. Based on the choice, the program calls the correct from the enrollment system. If the users selects 5 here, the program exits with a goodbye message. The important notes. Some important notes points. This program uses object-oriented programming (OP). We create classes and objects. Methods like add interpreter or use input to get data from the users. Interpreters are stored temporarily in a list, so if you close the program, the data is lost. The loop and conditional statements control the menu and actions. Now, let's see the program in action. Uh, Here, you have the enrollment system muna yung nagpakita sa kani enroll interpreter, view interpreter, search interpreter, remove interpreter, and the exit choice. Okay, first mo add kog interpreter and enter interpreter ID ang ibutang 0106 kana pangalan kuha nako si Ben, language kuha na to English, then experience kuha na to 10 Ben 10 experience. Next na interpreter successfully enrolled. Next tanaw na to view interpreters. Tura si Ben, ID 106, name Ben, language English, experience 10 years. Then kung akong i-search kuan sana i-search directly na ko, di na ko makita sa list, mo press lang ko sa 3 and enter. Ikuha lang itong ID kang ID ni Ben kay 106 and press enter and there lara interpreter found ID 106 name Ben language English experience 10 year. Kung akong i-remove si Ben mo press la ka sa number 4 na choice 4 enter interpreter ID si 106 gumanikang Ben ato ni siya i-delete or i-remove and boom interpreter remove successfully. Tanaw nato kung na-remove ba. Mabalik ta sa 2 which is view interpreters and wala na si Ben. Okay, and then 5 mo na yung pag-exit and then boom ano exit goodbye na namto diriya sa message pinakalas na. Okay, that is all for my kuan for my presentation and that will be all. Goodbye.